Hi Brian, welcome to Investing on Value. So today we're talking about Intuitive Machines, and these guys have just won a massive contract. Like massive, probably even understates how big this contract is. It's worth up to a potential $4.82 billion, billion with a B. So that's pretty big. So this contract's first starts off about 5 years. And potentially extends for another 5 years. So overall, with a contract value of 4.82 billion over 10 years. So even if you average it out and you go 4.82 divided by 10, that potentially is $482 million per year in contract value, which is pretty incredible, especially when you consider this company valuation. If we look at the stock price today, and given the market cap's wrong on Yahoo Finance, we're looking about just slightly below 700 million. This contract itself is nearly valued at up to its market cap, which is really understating the value. So you can kind of see the after hours is trading at over 55% on the current trading price at $8.40. The last closing price on a trading day was $5.40. So you can see where the market's going. I think it still understates the value, because this is a massive contract. It kind of just secures the company's future for the long term. And you got to remember, they've already got existing contracts as well. So this contract with NASA just builds on top, and it doesn't mean this is the end. It also means they can continue to get more contracts. So things just snowball from here. But this contract win is massive. So yeah, like definitely, if you own stock, brilliant. If you don't own the stock, it's definitely worth considering. Depending on the opening prices, of course, but the value is still, this company is still very undervalued, especially now that they've gotten this massive contract. It kind of just lowers the risk of this company substantially. It kind of just cements the long-term partnership between them and NASA, and it also means they're here for the next 10 years, because they've got a contract that if they just wanted to focus on this contract, they could just focus on this contract, but they're not. They're going to continue to expand, and then they're going to use this to continue to scale the company and build it larger and larger. Put it into this story here. Current guidance for the revenue is around $210 to $240 million. This contract literally just doubles it per year. Never mind other contracts. So imagine these guys doing 500 million in revenue and then seeing where those numbers go. So this is a massive win. And I'd hope the share price responds, because the last contract win that they got, the share price didn't really respond. It went up quite a fair bit, but then it just shot back down. I understand the stock is potentially being shorted as well. So there's that part. So tonight, when the stock price opens, you could be seeing this share price going over $10, or else it would be kind of weird, because this is a massive win, and the share price has been really held down for quite a bit. A lot of trading, a lot of selling down by a lot of people, by the looks of it. But yeah, I don't imagine anything holding it down now with this massive contract win. It's great news. Definitely worth looking into this company, because it cements the future. And this company's not even valued anywhere close to other companies like Rocket Lab, or even AC Space Mobile that got massive valuations. And AC Space Mobile doesn't even have revenues yet. So yeah, this company is definitely a company to look into, because they're in the big leagues now. Like anyone that gets in partnership with NASA and gets massive contracts like this, it means more contracts are on the way, because NASA kind of trusts them to deliver on this kind of stuff. If NASA trusts them, that's a big kind of boost to every other kind of future business they want to do. If they just go to other companies if they know that NASA's trusting these guys with this big of a contract, then it's much easier for them to continue to win a lot more business going forward. Of course, it means these guys are going to have to scale a lot more, they'll have to hire and grow, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. Yeah, let me know what your comments or questions are, just put them below, and I'll talk to you next time. Good luck investing, everyone.